During this portion of the video, I will be demonstrating how to apply the dressing and garment to a patient that has had liposuction of the chin, cheek, and jowl area. I am using an extra small super absorbent HK pad on my patient, being careful to cover all incisions with the absorbent material so that there are no incisions present under the plastic border of the pad. Tape and netting are not used to secure the dressing, as it is unlikely for drainage to seep out from under the edge of the dressing, since a relatively small amount of anesthetic solution is given. A second person helps by holding the dressing in place while the HK facial garment is applied. The HK facial garment is a two-piece garment for use on the chin, cheek, and jowl area. It is adjustable and includes a black facial band for bimodal compression and a small tab of Velcro to prevent the black band from slipping. It's very important that the black band be removed after 45 minutes. To prevent the skin from adhering in a manner that causes a ridge below the chin, it is critically important that care be taken when applying the garment and strap to assure the skin is not moved forward or folded toward the chin area. Also critical is for the patient to refrain from readjusting or tucking the pad into the garment in a way to cause displacement of the skin. The following items were used in this informational video: HK facial garment, HK band, HK super absorbent pad. It is suggested that you supply the patient with the following items to take home after surgery: 2 compression garments or 1 compression garment and binder, HK pads for 2 complete dressing changes, plus several extra small HK pads for the few incisions that may continue to drain for up to 3 to 6 days. 1 or 2 pre-cut sections of latex-free netting. The netting can be used more than once. And 1 roll of paper tape. Thank you for viewing our post-op training video. We hope you find this information beneficial to your practice. The technique and recommendations suggested during this training video are intended for healthcare professionals only. If you are not a healthcare professional, please seek the advice of your personal physician. Please note that all of the products used during this demonstration can be ordered via hksurgical.com, or you can call HK Surgical directly at 800-909-0060.